Hello everyone, I'm back again with another DJI Mavic Mini related video, and today I've just received the protection kit for the Mavic Mini, which includes a propeller guard with a foldable landing gear. And this particular unit is manufactured by Sunnylife. Now, I don't know much about the company itself, but I do believe, according to the reviews, they are actually quite good quality prop guards and landing gear. The landing gear is supposed to give you about a 2.5 centimetre or an inch, if you want, of ground clearance as well, and the prop guards. Hopefully, the whole idea of me purchasing this is just to make sure that my props, if I do end up crashing into anything, I do get a bit more protection. For example, if I end up crashing into a wall or any sort of other object as well, it just helps me to preserve the life of the props as well there, and also perhaps even give me a bit more protection of the drone as well. Especially my concerns are just making sure the gimbal etc is protected, and if you do have any harsh landings etc, which sometimes can be inevitable, you do actually have a bit of ground clearance and you're not just crashing straight into the ground and perhaps even causing some dents and scratches to the underside of the drone itself as well. So that's the whole idea of me getting this. Now I'm going to go straight into it, and I'll just open it up and show you exactly what it's all about. Okay, so the packaging is relatively simple. It just comes in a little bag there like that, and the contents just pop out like so. So there you have it. Now, on the box itself, sorry, if I just quickly show you the box, there are two options as well for colour, so you can actually go for the black or the grey. Now, I've actually opted for the black version because I just want to have a bit of a contrast as well, so I just think it will probably look a lot nicer with a contrast compared to just the grey colour as well. Now, I don't have any details as to the weight of this particular product. So the Mavic Mini, as you already know, does weigh 249 grams. So that does put it into the lowest weight category of any drone out there at the moment. So it does mean that it's possibly exempt from any sort of registration or any sort of drone codes in particular countries. For example, in the UK where I'm from, if a drone does weigh 250 grams or more, then it must be registered before you can actually fly it legally as well. So bearing in mind, this will actually put my drone above the 249 gram limit. So therefore, what I'm going to do as well with my drone is I'm going to get myself an operator and a flyer ID, which costs £9 here in the UK, and that's part of the Civil Aviation Authority's drone code, and it is a legal requirement. So please bear that in mind before you do actually go ahead and add on any sort of extras there as well. Now, the actual packaging itself does have a bit of information as to how to attach these on there. It's very vague, but it is pretty self-explanatory. So the actual pieces, I believe, are labelled with specific numbers, so I don't know if you can actually see that. So this particular part is labelled A1, and that will correspond with the actual part of the drone. So it's actually just showing the drone as if it's facing that way, so it's just showing you that. Now I'll just very quickly just go through the quality. Now the quality, it is actually very sturdy, and I'm quite surprised actually as to the sturdiness, and it does have these little latches just to make it very easy for you to remove as well, and also put them on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go ahead and put on the props there, just click them all in place, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this part is A, so I'm just going to put that on there. So it just simply goes over there and it clicks into place. There we go, nice and easy. And this part, I believe, is the A1. which clicks into place here. Very self-explanatory, very easy to do. So this is the B1 section. Oops, there we go. So these sections just simply click into place like so. Right, let's just have a look at this. There we go. Oh, struggling a little bit there. Okay, for the back props, I've actually managed to find a trick for this. So all you do is you simply just place it at an angle, and then it just pushes on, and then the prop there, the landing gear, just folds in and out. As you can see, very, very, very sturdy and very good quality. So I am quite impressed actually by the build quality, and also at the price that I paid for these props. I only paid just over £5 for these from eBay, and there we go. So that's that, and so you do have, that's the back of the drone, and then the front of the drone here, and then you've got the various lettering here. So the A section, so all it does, it's very self-explanatory, just clicks on into place like so, and same again with the other section, it clicks into place and we are good to go. There you have it. Now I think that looks fantastic. It makes the drone look like it has a much bigger presence whilst maintaining its small form factor. And not only that, as you can see, the ground clearance there is phenomenal. You get about an inch off the ground there, and that is the main thing that I really wanted to make sure was covered there as well. So that means if you have them harsh landings, or if you do have a crash landing, at least you do have a bit more protection there from the elements. So that's what I'm actually quite impressed about, and it is very sturdy, very stable. Just one final note: don't forget to register if you are actually in one of them countries where you have to register the drone if it does actually go above a certain weight class. So it does actually take it above the 249 gram weight class, so please bear that in mind. And the only downside I would say here is a lot of these cases will not accommodate the extra length there as well. So if you were to actually go ahead and try and fold the props as well with these landing gears and the prop guards on, you will not be able to do so. So you will have to remove them, but then again, it's not hard to remove. And in fact, what I will quickly do is remove the props there so that you can see that it doesn't actually take much time at all. So I'll start off with the front one. So all I do is just unclip that. There we go. There we go. So I've unclipped that one, and then as you can see, there's a clip for there. So just unclip that, and it just literally slides off there. In fact, what I'll do is unclip that one as well, and that one, fold the bottom props down, and then it's literally a case of, there you go. So it just comes if at a right angle there. So as soon as you do that, just unclip it there. There you go. And you can go ahead and you can fold your props as well. It's just very nice and neat. And there you have it. So this is the Sunnylife protection kit for the Mavic Mini, which includes a propeller guard with folding landing gear. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, please just comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and I hope to be posting more videos soon about the Mavic Mini and also to do a test flight as well very soon. Thank you.